Hello, welcome back to Technology Tutorials. How are you all? Today we are going to learn about the page layout tab. In this tab, we will first learn about margins, then move on to orientation, size, print area, background, and print titles. But before we begin, let's first understand what these actually mean. Margins are the blank spaces between the content of your page and the edge of the paper. They decide how much empty space is left around your document when it's printed. Orientation sets the direction of your page: portrait, vertical, landscape, horizontal. Now we will only learn the custom margins, the margins and the orientations. Firstly, here we can see the last custom setting. Last custom setting means the last custom margin I have used. Normal margin, wide margin means broader, narrower margin means very thinner. The custom margin you can also set. Here you can see top margin, header, footer, bottom, left and right. You can customize how you want. Next is page orientation. Page orientation, I have explained you that page orientation means orientation sets the direction of your page, portrait or landscape. If your document is very large, it will see a large difference on this. That's all for today's video. If you like the video, make sure to like it. If you are new to the channel, subscribe for more helpful content. And if you have any doubts or want to download anything, just ask me in the comment section. Until then, bye bye and take care.